Have you ever dreamed of becoming rich overnight through the stock market? Imagine this, a world where your money works for you, multiplying exponentially. Welcome to our beginner's guide to the stock market. Stay tuned and let's unravel the secret to understanding the stock market. Entering the stock market can seem daunting for beginners. There's a whirlwind of misconceptions swirling around out there, causing unnecessary fear and hesitation. Let's tackle a few of the big ones. First up, the belief that one needs a fortune to start investing. This is a myth, folks. You can start investing with as little as the price of a single share. Next, the fear of losing all your money. While the stock market does have its ups and downs, it's not akin to gambling. With careful planning and smart strategies, you can mitigate risks. Lastly, the idea that the stock market is too complex to understand. Sure, there are complex elements, but the basics are graspable. You don't need a finance degree to start investing. These are fears, not facts. They're speed bumps, not roadblocks. Remember, knowledge is power. Let's get to know the stock market better. The stock market isn't as complex as it may seem. Let's break it down. At its core, the stock market is a place where buyers and sellers trade pieces of ownership in companies. These pieces are known as stocks, or shares. When you buy a share, you become a part owner of the company. Some companies pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. This payout is known as a dividend. The beauty of dividends is that they can provide a steady stream of income, even if the stock's price doesn't move much. Stock market trades happen on platforms called stock exchanges. Some of the most renowned exchanges include the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. Now let's talk about diversification. This is the practice of spreading your investments across various stocks to minimize risk. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification can help smooth out bumps in the road when certain stocks underperform. By understanding these basics, you've taken your first step into the world of investment. The stock market has been a stepping stone to wealth for many. Let's delve into some success stories that exemplify this potential. Consider the tale of a school teacher who decided to invest a small part of her salary every month. With patience, perseverance, and a keen eye for promising stocks, she turned her modest savings into a substantial nest egg. Then there's the story of a young man fresh out of college. He used his first paycheck to buy shares of a little-known tech startup. That startup? It's now one of the world's leading tech companies, and his modest investment has multiplied exponentially. These stories underline a simple truth. With the right approach, anyone can build wealth through the stock market. It doesn't require a fortune to start or a degree in finance, just a willingness to learn, a dash of patience, and a sprinkle of courage. Their success could be your inspiration. Investing in the stock market doesn't have to be a distant dream. With understanding, patience, and smart investments, building wealth is within reach. Remember, knowledge is power, and diversification is key. You too can navigate the stock market and potentially build wealth. Ready to take your first step into the world of investment? Then don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button for more beginner-friendly stock market tips. And hey, don't be shy. Share your success stories in the comments. Start your journey to wealth today. Subscribe for more, turn on post notifications, and join our community of smart investors.